As she left court Monday surrounded by supporters and relatives, Melissa Robinson described feeling a sense of relief. This just minutes after the man charged with first-degree murder in the deaths of her cousin Morgan Harris and 3 other women admitted to the killings.
I honestly, I don't even have any words. It was just kind of a shock. But we're so happy. Our whole family will be so happy to hear this.
The trial for 37-year-old Jeremy Skibicki, which was scheduled to be heard by a jury starting Wednesday, will now be decided by a judge alone. He's pleaded not guilty to killing Harris, Mercedes Myron, Rebecca Contois, and a 4th woman, given the name Mushkade Bishake Ikwe Ibon, or Buffalo Woman. His lawyer, Leonard Taylor, told court they plan to argue Skibicki's not criminally responsible for their deaths, but didn't go into detail.
So I think what you should do is just wait for the trial to unfold, and then you'll get all the information there.
The Crown told court since it no longer has to prove Skibicki killed the women, its focus will turn to proving he was criminally responsible. And prosecutors told court it makes more sense to do that in front of a judge alone. This former Crown attorney says that makes sense given the technical nature of the evidence. Assistant Professor of Law Brandon Trask says the onus is on the defense to prove Skibicki's not criminally responsible.
The defense is going to have to show, on a balance of probabilities, that Mr. Skibicki suffered from a disease of the mind at the time, and that by suffering from the disease of the mind at the time, he was either incapable of appreciating the nature and quality of the acts or of knowing that they were wrong.
Skibicki was initially charged in Contois' death in May 2022 after her partial remains were found in a garbage bin and the Brady Road landfill. Police later charged him with killing Myron, Harris, and Buffalo Woman. Investigators believe Myron and Harris's remains are in the Prairie Green landfill north of Winnipeg. The women's relatives say they plan to reflect on what they heard in court.
It's been all about justice for my cousin, and we're going to get it. We're going to get it, and we're going to get all 4.
The charges against Skibicki have not been proven in court. The jury in the case will be discharged Wednesday, and then the trial by judge alone will begin. Josh Crabb, CBC News, Winnipeg.